Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. In this video, there's a lot to discuss because you can practically smell it. There's an odor that I can detect. Soon, there will be a run-up in stock prices. Bitcoin's upward trend began in November. We'll discuss whether or not Bitcoin should be used to blast off the CME gap and whether or not XRP is making a mega move. What, all the way at 20,000 back? Is there a plan to go back and finally close it? Will we just go on without addressing this issue? No worries on my end. Institutional matters, a preview of Ripple and Swell in 2023 with JP Morgan's JP Morgan corn dig call in a closed wall garden. People, there is a lot happening, and we have a lot of ground to cover. Let's go into a Bitcoin $34,300 investment right away. Presently, it sits at 9.27% over the past day and a half. In 1832, Ethereum was discovered. XRP is departing the market at a gain of 0.67%, while USDT and USDC arrive at their dollar pegs. 1.35% in the last hour. In the last 24 hours, 56 cents have come in from outside the meaning. The entire value of the cryptocurrency market is $1,272 million. Now, last night I held my AMA into Discord, where a lot of great questions were asked and where a lot of amazing people showed up and turned out, and then I was asked, right, what's XRP looking like? It's as easy as that. Easy as pie. The XRP chart is one of the most straightforward ones available. If the weekly closes at or over 55 cents, strap in, we're going back up whether or not we do. The unfortunate return of 41 cents is upon us. But since things are looking good, we'll get a boost immediately. Let's keep this upward momentum going, as everyone's eyes are on XRP and Bitcoin as usual. Let's keep making progress in this area. If you haven't already, check out the video I released yesterday on MasterCard's entry into Web3, Visa's close pursuit, and Grayscale's creation of new crypto indexes for businesses. You'll want to be well prepared for the approaching bull run. This is where I explain how everything fits together, so listen up, folks. Bitcoin's price has reached an all-time high, and the bull market appears to be in full swing, despite the fact that many investors have been waiting for a drop. You can rest assured that I'm not just going to announce, okay, everyone, get ready, here comes the bull run, so keep your eyes on the numbers. Focus on the weekly and monthly closing prices, as well as the big picture of Bitcoin's performance at the end of each week and month. If it's bullish, if we have a green more, if we have a little bit of a red close, that's how you're going to know we're into that bullish mode and into that bullish zone, i.e. Grad Crypto stated, get ready. Because XRP is gigantic bouts is invertible. That Fibonacci level line that's sitting on up there at 1.618, which is a really critical fib that is respected. That's a $27 XRP, he states. In the previous bull run, Bitcoin surged by 23x. And the theory went up 58x. However, the XRP adventure was cut short, and you already know why. The case has opened the floodgates for banks and other institutions to start accepting XRP as payment for international transfers. And for the establishment to take action. I don't think Ethereum will ever see a 58x multiplier because the theory is in such hot water and so many holes have been poked in it. MIVA 30x once more, I believe that the benefits will be transferred to XRP, and that the 58x multiplier will be achieved. 30 times? No sweat. You understood. Now that the litigation is over, we can focus on making up for lost ground from the previous cycle with a strong bull run. He predicts a 40x increase, or 4,000%, by 2020, which coincides with the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level between 2017's peak and 2020's top. For those of you viewing at the screen, allow me to enlarge the chart. Now you know. Have a look at those aims. 330 and 550. How odd is that? My focus has been on the numbers 330 and 650. The plans are coming together nicely, as expected. Stats can't be faked. The times and dates at the bottom of a chart are the only parts you need to double check. If you believe the chart, sales should increase dramatically by tomorrow, therefore I suggest you go ahead and stock up. Don't lose track of the dates. Keep an eye on the lines, because the breakout will occur at the corresponding Fibonacci levels. Costs up to $26. Do you recall that I blew my $24 top? Mark. We predicted that XRP will break into the double digits and easily surpass $650. We're going to hit double digits, and you can't stop us. A lot of people seem to be overlaying the 2017 Bitcoin fractal onto the current day, and I must admit that I've been monitoring this trend very closely as we approach the XRP launch in 19 days. Look, he's pointing in the direction we need to go. To see what's up next, follow my mouse as I circle several options on the right side of the screen. This is the beginning of the bull run, the beginning of the bullish tick up that will carry us through November and into next year, when this thing will skyrocket. Highest point ever. Sure thing. $100,000 Bitcoin, it's in the works, y'all. We must now discuss the CME discrepancy. There is still some skepticism about the CME's 20,000 prediction, which has prompted a question in the comments section. I predicted a few months ago that Bitcoin will soon surpass that barrier. Like the 3 gaps we left behind during that last parabolic surge, I brought up that gap again and tagged them in his tweet so that you wouldn't fall behind. Let me detonate it. We can trace back in time and find that there are blank spots. Void areas do occur. These holes are often filled around 80% of the time, but this is by no means required. Even if they don't get filled, the 20,000 point gap isn't necessarily cause for a retracement. As you can see, it's empty, and we've already gone on up, so Bitcoin seems likely to keep climbing and finally kick off that bash. JP Morgan Chase processes 1 billion transactions every day using their digital token, the JPM coin. Isn't that something? He claims that daily JPM coin transactions total $1 billion. Don't forget to close off the JPM coin. Don't worry about it spreading outside the JP Morgan system. There isn't any other bank out there, I can guarantee you that. The Bank of America has decided against switching to JP Morgan. You can't just say, hey, take all that cash and give us your JP Morgan coin, and expect us to comply. This area is protected by walls. An interbank system is a closed-off system. Since other banks around the world are unlikely to hold JP Morgan stable coin, a bridge asset that works and scales like the JP Morgan coin is required for JP Morgan to begin transferring funds and integrating with the new financial system. You're probably going to want to stick on to this steady coin anyway, and you may even consider making the switch to a new system. Then why not just keep the money overseas? Since it is a digital format. The two are interchangeable. People, a Nostro Vostro account in the digital realm serves the same purpose as a Nostro Vostro account that stores currency. JP Morgan's claim that institutional demand is what's driving Bitcoin's recent outperformance is supported by the infrastructure we've been laying the groundwork for. Again, institutional investors are coming, and they are the driving force behind the meteoric rise in Bitcoin values. Institutions. Listen, John, the public, my dad, and my 3 brothers, and I can only take this so far. Our final sum was $2.7 trillion. That's so incredible, it's ridiculous. We really outdid ourselves. We're the ones that brought crypto to the attention of big-name investors and institutional buyers, and we're the ones who put crypto on the map. What will happen next, then? It's as easy as that. The institution is going to become involved, and I believe the original intent was to eliminate all domestic trades. Coinbase and Uphold are essentially the only 2 US-based exchanges where you can purchase cryptocurrency, and banks and other financial institutions are poised to profit handsomely from the sale of digital currency. Thus, Ripple's Trello reveals a fascinating laptop for the UK, Asia, possibly Europe, and even the US. In any case, let's watch. Finance has traditionally been sluggish to change. But actual development may be seen all around you, such as fast-moving money, Today's fast-paced economy is made possible by 24/7 global markets and cutting-edge efficiency in the financial sector. That progressive businesses, banks, and governments may proceed. For those willing to make a shift, Faster is here and available right now. Is it true that you support forward movement? This crypto thing is serious. Remember now, rippling swell, are you on the side of progress? Where can I find the action in Dubai? This is a fascinating topic. Dubai experiences a rip tide. 2 weeks from now, on November 8th and 9th, is the Battle ICA, therefore the fact that we're seeing the price of XRP rise could be related to it. When the initial excitement subsides, the price frequently drops because investors mistakenly assume the swell was caused by a huge news partnership. Swell is going to be useful. In 2017, I arrived at this location. Never before have I witnessed prices rise and remain in the green as swell approaches. Typically, there is a follow-up, but when discussing this topic, you shouldn't forget to mention this recent article. It's a one-page crypto report from Ripple from James Wireless, and it discusses the future of digital currencies backed by central banks. The first paragraph is particularly intriguing because of its focus on Dubai. The adoption of cryptocurrency in the MENA region is rapidly expanding. According to a 2021 report from Gulf News, UAE authorities have prioritized digital fiat insurance in their 2023 to 2026 strategic plan, and Ripple has set its shop in Dubai, where regional growth is spurred on by the gas law. Ripple is already established in these regions around the world to assist with the expansion, adoption, and education of digital currencies issued by central banks, as indicated by the plan from now until 2026. These banks and financial organizations are the driving force that will finally usher XRP into the cryptocurrency mainstream. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.